Welcome to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve class 9th practice set 2.4 of real numbers. So I'm writing the question. First question is multiply. Okay. So first question is square root 3 bracket square root 7 minus square root 3. Now we have to multiply square root 3 with square root 7 and square root 3. So I am showing now square root 3 square root 3 multiplied by square root 7 minus, and again square root 3 is multiplied by square root 3. Okay, this with this and this with this. Now we'll take whole square root here. Now 3 into 7 minus square root 3 into square root 3 as it is I am writing. Now here there is radical sign is there, inside that 3 into 7 is there, so square root 21 will come. 3 7s are 21 minus here we are having 2 square root 3, and now the radical sign will remove because of square, so we are going to write here 3. Now answer is 21 minus 3. Answer of first question. Now we are going to move to solve second question, that is bracket square root 5 minus square root 7, again bracket, then second bracket square root 2 is given. Now as you can see, out of bracket square root 5 is there. This we have to multiply with this, okay, then with this. I am writing square root 2 multiply by square root 5, again minus sign, then square root 7 multiply by square root 2. Okay, we'll draw radical sign. Inside that radical sign we are going to write 5 into 2 minus, here also again I am going to draw radical sign. Now inside that 7 into 2. Now here we'll get 10 minus 14. Okay, our answer is square root 10 minus square root 14. This is the answer for question number 2. Next question, third one is, as you can see, two brackets are given. In first bracket 3 square root 2 minus square root 3 is there. In second bracket 4 square root 3 minus square root 2 is given. Now here also we are going to multiply. We are going to multiply this with this, okay, and this with this. I am showing how. I am writing now 3 square root 2 get multiplied with this, second bracket 4 square root 3 minus square root 2. Okay, again this minus square root 3 will come, and again the same bracket we have to multiply 4 square root 3 minus square root 2. Now here as you can see we have to multiply this with this, and this with this. I am writing here 3 square root 2 multiply by 4 square root 3. This both in between multiply sign, again minus. Now 3 square root 2, this one will get multiply with minus square root 2. So the minus will not come, multiply by square root 2. Now this multiply with this we have written, this multiply with this we have written, again the minus sign will come, again here also this will get multiply with this and this will get multiply with this. So I am writing here minus 3 multiply by 4 square 3, again minus here minus minus will become plus, minus minus will become plus. Now we are going to write square root 3 into square root 2. Okay, I hope you understood. We multiply square root 3 with 4 square root 3 here. Now in next term minus minus plus we have written, then square root 3 multiply by square root 2. Now next stage is what we have to, now as you can see what is given, 3 and 4 is given. So 3 4s are 12. Now again the radical sign, inside radical sign these 2 and these 3 will come, 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 3 inside the radical sign, and outside what is given, 4 and 3, 4 3s are 12 we have written, minus. Now here again as you can see 3 is there and here nothing, so 3 outside the radical sign 3 and inside 2 into 2. Okay, now next is what, minus sign is there. Now again you can see 4 is there outside the radical sign, so I am writing 4 square root inside the square root 3 into 3. Again the plus sign is there, I am writing here. Now 3 2s are 6, square root 6 will come. Now next step is what, 12 square root 6, 2 3s are 6, minus. Now here you can see 3 is given and this is square 2. Square 2 will, radical sign will go now here. Now we will write 3 into 2 minus 4. Again you can see there is a radical sign with 2 3. So here also radical sign will remove, then we have to write only 3 will come. Again plus 6. Okay, square root 6. Now I am writing here 12 square root 6. 6 minus 6 minus 12 plus square root 6. Now here 12 square root 6 and this plus 6 will come. Now here this plus 6 will come here. Now again minus 6 minus 12. Now you can see here when there is nothing, here is 1 square root 6. So 1 plus 12 will become 13 and square root 6 will come, minus plus means 18 will come. Okay, so this is our answer for question number 3. Now we are going to solve question number 2. Now question number 2 is what? Rationalize the denominator 1 upon square root 7 plus square root 2. We'll solve this example. We'll solve this sum with the help of conjugate. Now what is conjugate? Conjugate means where we can change the sign. For example, if we have a plus b, it will be a minus b, means the sign is going to be changed. If plus is there, minus will come. If minus is there, the vice versa. Okay, now I am writing here for this sum we have, therefore conjugate square root 7 plus square root 2 is square root 7 minus square root 2. Okay, this is the conjugate of this factor. Okay, now I am going to solve the sum with the help of this one. So I am writing here 1 upon square root 7 plus square root 2. This is the sum. Now we are going to write 1 upon square root 7 plus square root 2 multiply by, we will take this one, minus square root 7 minus square root 2. Again we have to multiply both denominator and numerator with this conjugate. So I am writing here. Okay, after this, next step is 1 is multiply with this, we will get square root 7 minus square root 2, and here you can see we will get 2 square root 7 minus plus minus minus again square root 2 square. Okay, now as you can see here, the numerator will as it is, and we have to, as you know, we have to rationalize the denominator. Now here, when there is a square in square root 7, it will become 7, and when square root 2 is having square, means it will become 2. Now our answer will be square root 7 minus square root 2 upon 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. We got the answer for question number 1. Next question is, this is question number 2, that is 3 upon 2 square root 5 minus 3 square root 2. Here conjugate is 2 square root 5 plus 3 square root 2. Now with the help of this conjugate we are going to solve the sum. I am writing 3 upon 2 square root 5 minus 3 square root 2 multiply by 2 square root 5 plus 3 square root 2 upon 2 square root 5 plus 3 square root 2. 3 will come outside, and inside the bracket 2 square root 5 plus 3 square root 2 upon 2 square root 5 square minus 3 square root 2 square. Now here the numerator will come as it is, and in the denominator we will write 4 into 5 minus 9 into 2. Okay, 2 will become 4, and the radical sign will remove. Into 5 we are going to write. Then again here also 3 3 9, because square is there, multiply by 2. Now here I am writing. Now numerator as it is will come plus 3 square 2 square root 2. Now 4 5s are 20 minus 9 2s are 18. Now again here the answer will be 3 inside the bracket 2 square root 5 plus 3 square root 2 upon 20 minus 18 is 2. This is our answer for question number 2. Number 3 is what? 4 upon 7 plus 4 square root 3. Here conjugate is 7 minus 4 square root 3. Now question as it is I am writing here 7 plus 4 square root 3. 4 upon 7 plus 4 square root 3. Then we will multiply both with this conjugate. Now I am writing 7 minus 4 square root 3 upon 7 minus 4 square root 3. Now here 4 we will take outside the bracket. Now 7 minus 4 square root 3 will come upon again here 7 square minus 4 square root 3 square will come. Again next step is what? Here you can see 4 sevens are 28 minus 4 fours are 16 square root 3. Denominator you can see 7 sevens are 49 minus here 16, radical sign will remove and we'll write 3 here. Okay, and next step is what? 28 minus 16 square root 3 as it is, it will come down. Now you can see 49 minus 16, 3s are 16 into 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 4, 48. So answer is 28 minus 16 square root 3 upon 1. So we will write 28 minus 16 square root 3 is the answer for question number 3. This is the fourth question, square root 5 minus square root 3 and square root 5 plus square root 3. Now here as you know that we have to rationalize the denominator. So here the conjugate will be 5 minus square root 5 minus square root 3. So sometimes we talk continuously and our tongue gets slip, so don't get confused. I'm writing here that is conjugate is square root 5 minus square root 3 and I'm writing here the question square root 5 minus square root 3 upon square root 5 plus square root 3. Here now we are going to write multiplication sign, then this both will come in numerator and then in denominator. Okay, now as you can see we have to multiply first this both. So I am writing square root 5 minus square root 3 square upon here square root 5 square minus square root 3 square will come. Now as you know the formula of a minus b square, will use that only here. So square root 5 square minus 2 then square root 5 square root 3 plus square root 3 square. Okay, upon you as you can see there is a square in both bracket and square of square root of 5 is 5 and square root of 3 is 3. Now next step is, now here you can see here you can see square root 5 square is given, so it will become 5 again minus 2. When we multiply this both it will come inside the radical sign 5 into 3 plus the square root 3 will become square root 3 square will become 3 upon 5 minus 3 is 2. Next step will be, as you can see, this plus this will become 8 minus 2. Again inside the radical sign 5 3 is a 15 will come upon 2. Now here you can see that 8 and 2 both will come in 2 table. So 2 4s are 8. So we will take 2 as a common factor. Inside we will take 4 minus square root 15 upon 2. Okay, now this 2 get cancelled. Now we will get answer 4 minus square root 15. We have solved practice set 2.4 of real number. I hope you understand. Please practice. If you practice, you will understand in better way. And please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you.